Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school. Search Norton Power Eraser, download, open site, 64-bit, file downloading, open file location, downloads, run, agree, full system scan, scan file, scan folder, run now. 75, no threats found. Click here to report to us. Done. Unwanted application, run now. Scan file, scan folder, run now. See Windows, select folder. Setting, cancel. Help, license, about, version, close. Close. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.